In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers. The first thing you need to note is that most cars have a similar mechanism. All it is a simple clip right here. Once you push that down, you can easily pull the windshield wiper down off of the hook, and that's pretty much it. And when you're installing your new one, you need to make sure that you find the right clip. It usually comes with a couple adapters. Just find the adapter that fits your car, and then you can easily just hook it back on the way it came off. So I'm just going to show you right now how I pull this one off. I do is that little clip right there. So all I do is pull it like this and then push it. Push it downwards and then pull it out like that. That's pretty much it. And then this is the little adapter piece I was talking about. This sometimes in your pack, it might come with lots of them, so you need to choose the right one. And this is how the mechanism works. It just kind of goes in and clips in like that. And then to pull it back out, like that. That's it. That's all you need to know on how to change your wipers. So that's all for today's video. This is a simple clip piece that you just need to remove from the wiper piece itself. Once you have that removed, the rest of it is pretty straightforward. You can just do the exact process in reverse. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe, or if you learned something, be sure to subscribe. Peace out.